Southern Californian mountains and their Santa Ana winds are infamous for producing. It's happened countless times. Even just 7 winters ago, there was another major winter fire that killed 23 people.
The relationship between climate risk and homes in one of the world's most valuable property markets. It will take weeks to know the full extent of damages from fires that have not yet subsided. But already, the wildfires threaten to push the fragile California insurance market closer to the brink. 7 out of the 12 biggest home insurers have limited their coverage in the state over the past 2 years. And this is largely driven by increased fire risk driven by climate. To upend the fragile balance between climate risk and home insurance in California. The fires burning some of LA County's most expensive neighborhoods. AccuWeather predicts that the damages could range between $135 billion and $150 billion. JP Morgan Chase estimates the insured damages covered could top $20 billion in what's almost certain to become the costliest wildfire in U.S. history. As the fires continue largely unchecked, it's left many wondering if this event will permanently alter.
Largest in the city has grown to nearly 25,000 acres, destroying an estimated 75% of Pacific Palisades. Officials say that 1/3 of the eastern edge of Malibu has been destroyed too. The Palisades fire now threatens nearby Brentwood and Encino, where additional evacuation orders have been issued. More than 14,000 personnel from all over California, 9 states, as well as Canada and Mexico have mobilized to the Bone Dry Hills of Los Angeles, battling 4 active and sprawling wildfires menacing millions of people across the region. The massive Palisades fire, the